I'm sharing with you how to make farmer's cheese mini pancakes. These are bite-sized, they're very cute. It's a traditional recipe, but it's such a fun breakfast or a snack. Just look how tiny and cute this is. For this recipe, we'll need 2 egg yolk. Add 1/3 of a cup of sugar. Mix it up with a whisk. And add 2 cups of farmer's cheese. I will leave a link below how to make farmer's cheese at home only from 2 ingredients. Add 1/2 of a cup of flour. Blend everything together. I like to use a fork for this. Okay, look, when you get a little piece of that batter and try to form a ball with your hand, it should hold the shape. It shouldn't be runny or loose. You can add a few spoons of flour, but I always recommend to use dry farmer's cheese because that's the secret to perfect farmer's cheese pancakes. Add some flour to your working area. And now to make those pancakes cute, I will be using 1/4 of an ice cream scoop. You'll simply just scoop that batter and lay it onto the flour. So I made 19 of these. And then you'll lightly roll each of them in the flour. And then to give them a better shape, I'll get a cup and do circular motion with the pancake inside. Then give it a little tap. Flip it over and do the same on the other side. Okay, let's see. This looks much better. Let's do another one. I like to fry them on medium heat, and best oil is the coconut oil because it adds a little sweetness, but if you use butter, they will burn. So my perfect oil is coconut oil for sure. Once your oil heats up, simply place them in the pan. When the bottom turns golden in color, I'll flip them over. And the easiest way I find is to use a fork in the side of the pan. You just scoop them and flip them over. That's my easy way. And because I want them to be cooked inside, I will close the lid and cook them on medium heat for a few minutes. Just check on them so they won't burn, but that's the best way to do it. They're so tiny, so cute, and they taste so good. I love to add powdered sugar on top. It adds some sweetness and it completes the look. Some cranberry sauce, it's a perfect combo. And let me show you how it looks from inside. Thank you so much for watching. I post new recipes every week, so don't forget to subscribe.